Kia ora. My name is Sarah Washbrook and I'm Product Development Lead at ByTED. Today we're going to have a look at the teaching methodology of Unplugged to Digital. So let's have a look at the background. Why do we teach using unplugged activities, especially in computer science and digital technologies? Well, unplugged activities help to introduce the concepts of computing before moving the students onto the digital tools, for example, programming. By using different unplugged activities, there's lots of research out there that helps to support this approach. So, as you can see, if the students that use an unplugged approach to learning the different concepts generally have increased self efficacy and a wider understanding of the technological vocabulary and commands used and needed when they go into using programming digitally. It also allows them to understand and improve their own knowledge for programming and the behaviors and attitudes towards programming. Some other activities from using unplugged approaches is where unplugged activities can also be used in situations where computers or digital devices or even Wi-Fi are not available. Yeah, or they can be used when there are some things like distractions or technical issues with the software not being able to be used. So students are still able to learn the concepts, however, they don't need access to a digital device. It's also been discovered that for teacher professional learning, by using an unplugged approach first, it means that relatively deep ideas can be really explored and covered fairly quickly in a way that's playful and empowering for the teachers themselves. They provide a quick and positive experience to actually understanding the different computing concepts. If we want to move from unplugged to digital, there has been lots of discussion about this, and it's been discovered really that if you can combine the unplugged to digital, then what it does is it enables your program to increase the motivation of your students to learn in this space. It also allows the students to think really and clarify their thinking before they move from being their unplugged concepts to going into their digital concepts. When using digital approaches, there's also research out there on the use of digital apps and game-based learning in particular. So if we have a look at that approach, the reason why ByteEd have gone through this approach with our Play Code Learn kits is because we want to develop the students' creative thinking and enable them to be able to be problem solvers, to overcome difficulties, to also develop their different kinds of thinking skills as well. So critical thinking, analysis, logical thinking, and develop their different abilities in different skills, like the employability skills for the future. So it's been shown that programming and using computers digitally can actually help to improve things like collaboration, communication, their verbal and written skills, planning ahead, and also their resilience and perseverance. So how do we do Unplugged with Play Code Learn? Well, in the Play Code Learn kits that we have the dinosaur steps, we have dinosaur loops, and we have dinosaur commands. All of them have an unplugged approach at first. They're very hands-on, they're very play-based, they get the students involved in interacting with concepts and learning as they use the kits. Once we've gone from unplugged and they have got a good understanding of the concepts and the technological vocabulary needed, we can then transfer the students into digital. And we use that through our ByteEd app. Now we're a little bit different because we use augmented reality to help to engage our learners with the digital process. So all of our dinosaurs in the kits come to life with augmented reality. Those students can also scan dinosaur lands or create and design their own dinosaur lands, which once again turn into 3D augmented reality models. And not only do they that, they take their unplugged concepts that they have learned and bring them into their digital programming too. Thank you for listening to our Unplugged to Digital. Please stay in touch or check out our website for more information. Ka kite.